check out the Officetel that's literally 8 minutes away from my work. So you guys know that I live in Incheon and it took an hour and a half to commute every day, which means that I have to wake up at 7 a.m. and I come home at 9 p.m. So it was really like tiring for me the past 2 weeks. So my parents decided to help me get a place next to my work because I am literally dying. And yeah, so today I'm gonna go check it out and hopefully it's nice. See ya. Oh my god, look at how much stuff is delivered in front of my door. I'm dead. Okay, so I'm slowly starting to deliver things to this place, and I ordered like bathroom mats, a cactus, tables. It's coming at random times, so yeah, I'm about to unpack them. Hey guys! Do not say hi! Look at her hair, it's so messy. So today is a very busy day because I am going to my scalp appointment in like 30 minutes, and if you guys watch my other videos, you guys know what I'm talking about. I have been going to this like scalp place to prevent hair loss, and yes, so I'm doing that, and that thing takes 2 hours. So after that, I'm gonna come back home and finish packing up my things because I am officially moving out of this apartment and I am going to Seoul. I'm moving to the digital media city in Korea where all the broadcasting stations are because I work in the SBS building. And yeah, so I'm moving there today. My bed finally came yesterday, so like I got it all set up and the Wi-Fi all set up. So all I have to do is decorate my place now. And yeah, I have lots of things to like decorate and then also like unpack my things. I am moving into an Officetel, and now I didn't even know what an Officetel was until like a month ago when my dad was like, oh, do you want to just move into an Officetel? Because I was looking for a place that's as close to my company as possible because I hate like commuting to work and having to commute back after work when you finish at 6 or 7. It's just dreadful, like, and so much time is wasted from commute in a day when you work full time. And so I wanted as much time as possible to spend with like other people, like with my friends and family after my work is over, but that's really impossible unless you live close from work. So I didn't want work to be my full life, and that's why I decided to move out. But an Officetel is very common in Korea. It's a combination of office and hotel basically. So it's like a small apartment, but it's close to where you work. Like it's where people live. A lot of people in their 20s live in Officetels because obviously people in their 20s are working full-time normally. So yes, there's a lot of Officetels in Korea. The one that I'm moving into is the most famous one in the digital media city because it's right in front of MBC and SBS, and like all of the broadcasting stations are there. MBC, SBS, KBS, YTN, JTBC, CJENM, yeah, TVN. They're all literally right next to each other. And so there's this Officetel that I'm living in now is literally located 8 minutes away from my workplace, 8 minutes by walking. And so I was like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. That was my #1 priority, close to my workplace. And yeah, I got that. So it's like a really small studio, but honestly I don't really care because care about the size because I am just gonna sleep there, you know what I mean? Like, I work full time, and then on the weekends I'm probably gonna come back home here, or, you know, spend time with my friends. It's not like I'm going to be like living in that apartment, like spending majority of my hours. It's literally just for sleep, so I didn't really care about the size. I just really wanted it to be close to my workplace so that I can save time. So yeah, that's what I have planned for this weekend. Follow me on this journey, you guys, and hope you enjoy this video. Bye. When am I not snacking? I got my suitcase here and I am about to start packing. I hate packing, you guys. Am I the only one that hates packing? I really hate packing and I hate unpacking. Yeah, I just don't like folding clothes. I don't understand people that like find joy of cleaning and folding clothes, because I don't. But here we go. So don't mind this huge pile of clothes here. These are all the clothes that I was just like swifting through the closet that I don't think I'm gonna bring. But oh, look what we have here. Another suitcase inside. I forgot I did that. Okay, well, let's move this. I think I'm just gonna pack all my winter sweaters and stuff for now, because it's winter and I'm not gonna be wearing anything other than winter stuff. So yeah, it shouldn't take too long to pack these things. So honestly, I don't really know how to pack sweaters. Somebody teach me, please. Okay. There's all these sweaters.
많잖아요. 소독약.
여기 앞에 이마트랑 다 있어서 엄청 좋은 것 같아. Ow. Keep hurting myself. Okay, so once you come into the doorstep, there is this shoe rack space, which I don't even have that many shoes, and I'm not even gonna bring that many, so it's kind of unnecessary. I put up this little wall thing, not wall, whatever it's called, curtain, because I think it's pretty. And here I am. There's a huge mirror right here. Okay, so now on the right side, there's the closet. And oh look, my padding fell out. But yeah, that is so high. Like, I need to use that ladder to hang up things. And then everything is here. I just put in like stuff that I could bring in one luggage. There we go. And then this is the bathroom. Hi guys. There's the shower stall, and then the mirror opens and there's all my stuff inside. And then there's this area. It's like a table that you can pull out. Oh wow, all my things fell out. But yeah, you can pull out like to here. Not really sure what this is actually supposed to be used for, but I'm just putting stuff like random things, like my mask on here, so that's like easy to reach, some pens and things like that, before I leave the house. And then here are all these like cabinets. There's like 4 of them. And oh wait, I totally forgot to show you guys the fridge. So the fridge is like right here, and it's actually really big. I don't have anything in it yet because I just came, but yeah, and then the freezer is down here. So yeah, there's actually like a lot of, like, this whole thing is a fridge. It's huge. Yeah. So now the grand reveal. Okay, so right here I put a projector screen. I just love watching movies, if you know me. So here I just put like a little tapestry, and my whole room I just went for like the basic beige cream look. Yeah, so right here I've got this little table with this interesting shaped mirror. I thought it was like really artsy looking. And I love cactus. I have a cactus in every apartment that I moved to. So this time I bought this one and I named him Mr. Smith. Yeah, I know, pretty cliche. But yeah, he's so cute. And this is the bed. Now this bed is $2,000, you guys. And the reason why it's $2,000 is a really famous bed, Mamamoo Solar. Mamamoo Solar, like, she has this bed, if you guys have watched any of her like YouTube videos. And I was like, yo, this bed is a necessity for somebody like me. And basically you have this remote and you can control it. It can go up and down, like anything you want. This part can be lifted, it can go down. So you can, like, there's all these controls that I still haven't really had a chance to look at. But yeah, and then there's this table that moves. You can like move it however you want. And outlet, so it's like perfect for people like me who are fucking lazy and who like to do everything on their bed, like eat and stuff. I do everything on my bed. Now I have this chair here that has storage space that you can just hide underneath this bed, which I like. And then I also have this garbage can. And then in this area, this is the laundry. I don't know why it's open. Okay, so this is the laundry. Now, even all my kitchenware, I did the basic colors, the cream colors. These are all like so much more expensive than black ones, but I was like, gotta go with the aesthetics. And here, I also had the choice to do cream, but I was like, I like pink, as you can see. I love this brick color pink. So all the cutlery tools, I mean, not cutlery, cooking tools are in this brick color. Then, yeah, I just have, yeah, so all these knives and stuff are also cream colored. And these are the pot, like, lids and stuff. They're all cream. I'm like so proud of my cream stuff. I'm like, these are all cream. All my cups are cream. All my plates are cream. And then all my chopsticks are either cream or brick or this like pastel blue color. As you can see, I just like these type of colors. And yeah, so they like match my, like this thing, it matches. And my mom put her cross here. Oh my god, I cannot even with her. But yeah, I bought these just because they look pretty. Like they have gold outlines, and I was like, these three can go here. I don't know why I bought 3 of these gold color ones, but I was like, I just want to. And so this is like the kitchen area, you guys. Yeah, so everything is pastel. Yeah, I think you guys get like what type of interior I was going for. Yeah, so this is a sofa bed, and the sofa bed, so I can just like put this down so whenever my friends come they can sleep there. So this is it, you guys. This is how I decorated my office tell in Korea. I am going to be living here for a year. It's an 8-minute walk from SBS, so it's perfect for me. And I will be living in this digital media city for the next year. Follow me on this journey, you guys. Is clean. Downstairs there's a gym and like a little sauna area, a hot tub and things like that. And then this whole area like is filled with cafes and restaurants and things like that, because all the companies are here. So it's a really nice area that I am glad I'm living here for. Now let me show you guys what this place looks like when it's dark. Lights off. Ooh, moody. Okay, so now I'm in my pajamas and everything, and it's already 10 p.m. and I have to go to work tomorrow. Life of an adult. Yeah, so I am just gonna shower and rest up and go to sleep. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.